guys, so today we are here at Lassen National Park, and that mountain or peak behind us is actually a dormant volcano called Mt Lassen. So we are going to start our hike. It's a little late in the morning, but I think it's about 10:45. It's going to be a little toasty of a hike, but it is, I think, about 2,000 feet in elevation increase from where we already are. It's just over 10,000 feet. I'll post some actual facts about the elevation and stuff later. But we're gonna do that in about 2.5 miles. So
yeah, whose idea was this?
Yours. She's like, oh, let's go for a leisurely hike.
I mean, how many people could just say that they hiked up a volcano? That's like amazing.
Yeah, so she picked the most difficult trail in the entire park. Again, this is day 2 of the most difficult one in the entire park that we ended up at. So all right, guys, so we'll do some short videos and some photos on the way up.
Yeah, me like not being able to breathe.
Yeah, us having struggles. We're gonna attempt to get to the top, but if not, we'll at least go halfway. Winded. Still video. Winded we are. We're not even halfway up. I don't even think we're a quarter way up. We're not sure. But that's the goal. It's got a bunch of switchbacks. View is amazing. Definitely looking forward to the top, that's for sure. We're going to start our way down. I think we're about but it is a very
slow and steady.
Slow and steady wins the race. Make sure we get up there and show you guys the view from the top. But yeah, it's a lot of elevation at once. But so far so good. We'll get there. And
yeah, walking on the beach is a lot easier.
All right, we'll see you at the next little pit stop we make. So it's quite a bit later than the last video, but we are half a mile from the peak. Erica's not the only one that's exhausted. This is windy, like really winding me out, but that's good. So I'm going to show you this. Half a mile to the peak. That's the view from where we are right this second. That way. So half a mile left, doing good. Taking our time, one step at a time. Resting when we need to. Drinking water, lots of water. And All right, next video, we'll be at the top. We'll show you the peak. So we made it to the top.
It is so crazy.
What do you have to say? Worth it?
Yeah, it was worth it. So amazing.
That's the crater right behind us.
Yeah, kind of precarious right there.
I'm not gonna lie, it was a little adventurous with these wrecks.
Yep. All right. So there's a sign over there. You can hold, shows you the elevation and everything up here. I think we're pretty much at the highest point. It's pretty equal to what's over there.
And see all the snow. Look at the snow. It's so cool.
It's a long way down. But yeah, it took us about 3 hours to get up here, I think. So
It's so worth it though.
yeah, worth it, right?
Yes, dude.
So this is the view from up here. 10,000 and whatever feet. We'll put a photo up. Oh dang, there's a crow all the way up here. Hey crow.
Another adventure in the books, babe.
Yeah, another one in the books.
Babe, how many times do I say this is so amazing?
Probably like 500 times on the way up here. This is so amazing. Every time we stopped, Erica's like, it's so amazing. It's so
I know,
amazing.
it's so cool. I love it.
Oh, alrighty.
I don't know, the Grand Canyon was super cool, but this is just different. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's different, that's for sure. So all the way even up here, we just saw a black beetle. I don't know if I can zoom in so you can see him. He's actually right there. You see a black spot?
Should we bring it back to...
No, he got up here on his own. He probably lives up here.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to leave him away
So,
from his family.
all right, guys. Drop this off and we'll work our way down here in a few minutes. So here it is, Lassen Peak. Oh yeah, wait, that right there is the trail we came up. All the way up this. Went wrapped around and then there's like a little spot right there and then you come through the snow and then come up. So,
The snow in July is so
and
pretty.
right about like right here, just on the other side of that little peak part hump is the parking lot. So, alrighty. Well, I'll see you a little bit later down at the bottom for a total overview and everything of this trip. We'll see you then. best thing about it is every one of these switchbacks, you get a beautiful view.
What do you mean by that? The ones right here?
Yeah, so it comes back on itself.
Yeah. Oh, that's it.
What? Alright guys, thanks for coming along the adventure with us. We are at the bottom finally. Took us about 3 hours to get to the top, and I'd say about an hour to come back down. Obviously a lot less time to go down. Biggest things I got for you is sun protection. Make sure you take some sunscreen if you come on this hike. Bring extra water, so a couple bottles at least. Snacks, it's probably good if you start earlier in the day on this trail. And take your lunch with you. Go ahead and eat it up at the crater view and have fun. I mean, we had a blast.
It was really
Started a little late, didn't take food with us, so that wasn't very smart of us, but
backpack next time for sure.
yeah, backpack. Learning, live and you learn, but a lot of fun. So if you guys do come out here to this,
beautiful.
It's a beautiful view. It's definitely worth it. You guys just saw a bunch of the video and some of the photos of our adventures up the hill and down the hill or mountain. So yeah, it's definitely worth it all the way, with it. So on the way down, we actually saw a deer. We have seen birds, chipmunks, and then as weird as it was, we saw a couple chickens. I'm not quite sure what that was about. I tried to capture some photos of the chickens, but that was a little odd. At first I thought they were turkeys, but nope, they were chickens. It was a little odd.
So funny.
Yeah, pretty funny. So great trip overall. Had an awesome time, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure.
Bye.